Let's go get it.
We dumped the plate over there.
What's it? What does a birdie say, Connor?
What's birdie say?
Go.
Caw. That one says. Yeah, it's different. They don't like it.
Bye.
Yeah, that was too big.
Bye, birdies. You blow kisses to the birdies? Is that blueberry syrup good? Is it good? Connor, what does a chipmunk do? What's a chipmunk say?
No, don't.
No, don't.
No. You want down?
Don't.
Go ahead. Okay, you scared of the birdies, huh?
There's the birdie again. Is he gonna come closer? Is there any more food for him? Throw him one, Connor. Throw the birdie some food. You gonna throw the birdie some food?
Bye.
I love you. Later. Do you blow kisses? Blueberry face. Whoa. He's got blueberry